So what does cellular data cost and how do I activate it? Now this, I said earlier that we'd get into this as we go into the show. So let's talk about the workflow. First, you're gonna go through that starter kit. So that's that workflow that I laid out earlier where you get the Solo, you get your modems, you pick your service plan. You're gonna go to LiveU's online portal and register the kit's serial number. All right, so I have that portal right here, and I think it's important just to show you where the web destination is. And I have that here at LiveU Solo's website, solo.liveu.tv. And that's gonna bring you to this login page. Now, I haven't logged into our portal because when you go into that page, you actually have your LiveU number on display there. So we're gonna get into some nitty gritty with the portal itself in a little bit in a pre-canned video that actually shows you the inside of the portal without showing off our number. We actually have that blurred out. So I'm gonna bring back our presentation right here. And let's get back into it. So you register on that portal, then you're gonna choose monthly or yearly data plan. Now this is really important, something that I'm gonna stress a little later in the show as well, but you don't have to commit to the full year to get Solo Connect. What a lot of people do is they'll register for the monthly plan and only use it in months where they're really planning on streaming a lot. Think sports, school sports, varsity sports. If those coaches want to stream, those kids are only playing a few months out of the year. So you'll get the LiveU Solo monthly plan, pay it for the month that the athletes are playing, stream as much as you want, deactivate it, and bring it back when it's time to play again. So that's great. You can choose your monthly or yearly data plan. Enter your promo code. At Videoguys, we have Solo-Videoguys. That'll get you 5% off, or your dealer may be able to find you a great code as well. Then your modems and SIMs are going to be activated on that portal, and you're ready to start streaming. So once you set up that service, you've registered your modems, you're ready to go, and you can stream as much as you want. So let's take a look at what those monthly data plans look like. If we could bring this up full screen, Adam. And you'll see here in this chart, you have the monthly plan for the 2 modems is $295 per month, and the 3 modems is $435 per month. So if you're only streaming a few months out of the year, you just want to pay that $295 for each month that you're streaming, it may not add up to the yearly plan, which is $2,950 per month. So that's a really, really great benefit to the Solo Connect having that monthly plan. In addition, I also want to stress that you can stream again as much as you want. You're not paying for that bandwidth. And again, Solo-Videoguys to retrieve that 5% off.